we are here to take you on a journey that explores the game-changing impact of chatbots in higher education. Ever since the advent of ChatGPT 3.5 in November last year, we have been witnessing breakthrough after breakthrough in chatbot technology. These advancements are potentially revolutionary in terms of how we teach, learn, assess, work, and interact. The possibilities are seemingly endless, and we are here to share our research findings and also learn from your experiences in our interactive workshop. At our EDUtech Asia workshop, we will highlight the diversity of chatbots. A war of competitor chatbots is raging amidst an AI arms race and gold rush. Millions of students and academics have started using bots like ChatGPT, Bing Chat, Bard, Ernie, and others for a large variety of purposes. We will evaluate whether the new bots could enhance engagement, foster personalization, and optimize efficiency within educational settings. But the impact continues beyond there. For us educators, this is our chance to reimagine our teaching, learning, and assessment approaches. We provide 4 types of recommendations for key stakeholders in higher education. 1, faculty in terms of assessment, and 2, teaching and learning, 3, students, and 4, higher education institutions. Join us at EDUtech Asia. The future of learning and teaching is upon us, and we warmly invite you to have a critical discussion about it. Don't miss this opportunity to evaluate the pros and cons of chatbots and to critically discuss their potential to disrupt higher education. Thank you, and we look forward to you joining our event.